All right, what's going on, everyone? So today we're going to give a quick little synapse of my GPS setup that I did. I opted for the Garmin navigation system over the branded Ducati one because there's no difference in the two units except for one connector, and it doesn't say Ducati on it. If that is worth the $900 sticker to have the name Ducati, by all means, do it. If you're like me and you don't give a crap about logo branding, go ahead and go this route. You'll thank me later, and it would be the same exact unit. But talk about logo branding. Hey, today's video sponsored by Devil Dog. Just kidding. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how easy this is to go ahead and convert your standard GPS to hook into the existing wiring for your Ducati, and you don't really need to do hardly any modifications but create one pin setup. That's it. Basic knowledge, YouTube, you can do it yourself. If not, a dealer's probably going to charge you an hour of labor and they'll knock it out for you. They won't be happy because you're not buying the Ducati one, but it's your money. You do what you want with it. Anyways, stay tuned. I'll show you. It's real short. See you.
Hello, it's Enter Rider, DMC, intercom, mode.
Okay. So first thing is first, you're going to need to go on eBay, or if you have a decent auto parts store, you got to buy some JST connectors. The one for the Ducati plug-in you're going to need is going to be the 4-pin. On the Ducati side, it's got the male. This is the female. So you'll be using the 4-pin, and you'll see that red and black are 1 and 2. You're going to go ahead, set that up with your pins and your wiring, with your crimping tools and everything, and that is going to be the start of it. That should only take you a few minutes to do. It's nothing serious. Getting over here, I have a rally plate from Denali. It's really nice. It fits very well. It hooks up almost identical to the OEM. There's no difference other than the fact it's not from Ducati. It's from Denali. This GPS is the same GPS that Ducati sells, but instead of it saying Garmin there, it's going to say Ducati. Here's the traditional backing plate. Gonna run the wire. It's got a lot of droop loop, but it's going to connect right in to the OEM Ducati plug. This is the JST connector from Ducati. This is what they would use for their Garmin GPS unit. And then the one that you've made with your JST female connector plugs right into it. It's only 2 wires. It's super simple. If you want to get real fancy and you don't want all this droop loop, hey, cut this sucker down. Take off 2 feet of it, and you won't have to worry about it. But literally, I'm just going to loop it all back in over some zip ties. I'm going to hide all this crap out of the way and put it all back together. So theory-wise, you're looking at maybe, if you want to really take your time, 1 hour to do this job. If you don't have any experience at all with wire crimping or anything like that, call a buddy. There's someone that you know that knows how to do this and should be able to help you. It's not that challenging. Or just take it to the dealer. Tell the dealer what you're trying to do. You just need to have a JST connector made, and they'll probably charge you an hour of labor if they're not trying to rip you off too bad. Other than that, plug it in. I did electrical tape. I've tested it. I know it works. I'm going to put it all back together, and then by doing it this way, anytime the ignition is turned off, the GPS is turned off with power-wise going to it. This is the way you want it. You don't want it running directly to the battery, because if you do that and you forget to unplug the GPS unit, you're going to kill your battery. And I know this. So doing it this way, it's a lot better setup. And yeah, if you guys got questions, I know I didn't do a step-by-step process on how to do it. It's really simple. There's a manual on the actual Ducati North America site that will show you how to do all of this, how to take this entire thing off. So there's no point for me to reinvent the wheel. All right, the only thing we're doing different from that manual to this is we are splicing the wires with the JST connector. That is it. You guys got questions? Hit me up. I'll be more than happy to answer them to the best that I can. See you guys.